Depositing money into your Schwab account is a straightforward process, whether you're using direct deposit, mobile deposit, or wire transfer. Here's how you can do it. Direct deposit. To set up direct deposit, follow these steps. Log into your Schwab account online or via the app. Navigate to the direct deposit section under the account services menu. Obtain your routing and account number, which you will need to provide to your employer or other payers. Provide this information to set up recurring deposits from your employer or other income sources. Mobile deposit. To deposit a check via the Schwab mobile app, download and open the Schwab mobile app. Navigate to the deposit section. Select deposit a check. Take a photo of the front and back of the check as directed. Enter the deposit amount and choose the account to deposit into. Tap submit to complete the process. Wire transfer. To wire money into your Schwab account, log into your account and go to the transfers and payments section. Follow the instructions to set up a wire transfer, including providing your Schwab routing number and account details to your bank.